Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Mexican dish. Carne en sus jugos. Meat in the own juices and green sauce. And of course, meat that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing carne en sus jugos, these are the ingredients. I have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, cumin, tomatillos, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of an onion, 5 chile de árbol, 3 chiles guajillos, of course, the steaks, and of course, beans and cilantro. This is everything you need to prepare this delicious and authentic carne en sus jugos. So let's get started. I have my steaks here, and the type of steak I'm using is called Milanesa. This Milanesa steak is nice and tender, and I am going to just cut in small little strips, just like this. This is going to take time. I have about 2 pounds of Milanesa that I'm going to just continue and cut it just like this. I really want all the meat to really cook in the same juices. So I'm going to continue finishing up and getting all this Milanesa cut in small medium pieces. Look at this. I have my tomatillos here. Of course, the tomatillos, when you take the little casing out, they're dirty. They have a little bit of dust. They have a little bit of dirt. You want to make sure that you rinse them really good, every single one, through running water. And here I want to show you how I'm taking the skin off of the tomatillos. The tomatillos is going to create this sauce so delicious and amazing. Nice and lemony. Of course, I have my 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to remove the casing, and I smash them to wake them up. I have my 3 chiles guajillos, and you know that the chile guajillo, it's not spicy at all, but it is going to give this sauce such a delicious and amazing flavor. And here I'm just going to remove the seeds, and I'm going to remove the veins. Once you remove all the seeds and the veins, well, let's put them on a pot and let's rinse really well through running water. Once they're nice and rinsed, we're going to add our 3 garlic cloves. We're going to add our 5 chile de árbol, or you could use any type of chili that is not spicy. 5 chile de árbol is not going to make this spicy at all. And here I have 1/4 of an onion that I'm just slicing away and pulling apart. Let me tell you, this carne en sus jugos really comes out really delicious. And here I am ready. Let's go to the pot and start cooking. I added some vegetable oil. I'm going to season the meat very well. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let me tell you, give the meat such a delicious flavor. Add all these spices right on top, and then you're ready to just mix away. Make sure that everything is nice and coated. We're going to cook this in medium heat. The reason that we are cooking in medium heat is so that the meat really releases all those amazing juices. Look at this. Yes, you want the meat to really absorb all the spices and start releasing the flavors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it. Remember, we're cooking in medium heat. And by this time, the tomatillos are getting nice and soft. So we're ready to turn off the stove and start adding everything into our blender cup. This sauce really comes out delicious, but it's not spicy at all. I'm adding a bunch of cilantro right on the bottom. And right on the top, I'm adding the tomatillos, the chile guajillo, chile de árbol. And of course, don't forget, we're going to add our 3 garlic cloves and the liquid where they were cooking. That's very important. Add the liquid into the tomatillos. And now I am ready to blend. But before I do that, I want to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. This is really going to give the sauce an amazing flavor. I have everything on my blender cup, and now let's blend. Make sure that you blend it really good until you don't see all those little pieces of the chile guajillo. Once this is done, you're ready to add your onion. Yes, add your onion. You could see all those juices on the bottom that the meat has released. As you add your onion, incorporate it really good. Once you incorporate your onion, you're ready to add this amazing sauce. Of course, you don't like spicy, you could only use 1 or 2 chile de árbol. And here I am ready to start pouring this amazing sauce. There's no need to put it through a sifter. Just pour it in, mix it very well, taste it to see if you need to add a little more salt. This is where you are going to adjust. Remember that the salt is to taste. So taste it. If it's good, then just cover it and leave it covered for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, the meat will be nice and tender, really soft and moist, and the sauce really has all that amazing juice of the meat. And now I am ready to plate. How am I going to enjoy this amazing carne en su jugo? Well, I am going to, of course, add some beans. Yes, I cooked these beans this morning. So this is how you really enjoy a traditional and an amazing carne en su jugo with beans on the side and of course lots and lots of the juices and meat. I am ready to enjoy. And if you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Be part of Cooking with Gloria. Thank you so much. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and authentic carne en sus jugos. This meat is so tender, so moist, and the sauce, oh, just amazing. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy. And let's taste. Let's see how this meat came out. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, so delicious. The meat is so tender. And the sauce, it's not spicy at all. It has such an amazing flavor. Of course, with the combinations of the beans, just perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing carne en sus jugos. See you soon. Bye-bye.